I'm going to enjoy Trillium because I love water and they have a wonderful swimming pool, and their activities will keep you busy and they'll keep you fit, and we will spend the rest of our years there, and I'm looking forward to meeting many more people.
Well, I think they offer so much there. There's going to be swimming, which I think is going to be
I do too.
wonderful, really, for all of us. There's walking paths, which I think a lot of us really are going to enjoy so much, to be able to get out and walk, and particularly if you have a big dog, and I can walk Nikki.
And they have bridge. We
Yep,
play
and bridge, we're good. We're really good bridge players.
Sure we are.
Yeah, that is really baloney,
Speak
but,
for yourself.
Lynn is really good.
No, we're good. But
Yeah.
but it's fun. It's fun. There's just that alone. Just the bridge activities, the book clubs. I think
Yeah,
is
it's gonna be-
marvelous. There'll probably maybe a writing club
Yeah.
will be developed. There's all kinds of things that we could do to see where people's interests lie. And I work part-time at a boutique in Wayzata, and I love that because of the interaction of people. And I used to be a school teacher years ago. So there's all kinds of as I said, I look forward to many activities, but physically
Right.
too. I look
Physically
forward to
and
exercising.
socially, I think going to dinner
I do
and
too.
having, and there's going to be places that you can go and have a drink before, and the sociability of meeting people. And I think sometimes you really do that very well over a dinner table. And so I'm looking forward to it a lot, and it's coming.